Algorithms: the good, the bad, the ugly. In the digital age, algorithms are the unseen decision makers that shape much of our online experiences and real-world outcomes. They are the silent arbiters of everything, from search engine results to social media interactions, healthcare diagnostics, and financial services. Yet, as much as they facilitate modern conveniences, algorithms also come with their own set of challenges and ethical considerations. The good. Algorithms as enablers of modern life. Algorithms are the backbone of technological advancement. Here are some of the things they enable. Efficiency and speed. Algorithms can process vast amounts of data at speeds incomprehensible to humans. Personalization. From streaming services to online shopping, algorithms help tailor experiences to individual preferences. Innovation breakthroughs in fields like genomics, astronomy, and climate services are powered by complex algorithms. Life-saving applications. In healthcare, algorithms assist in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans for better outcomes. The bad. The unintended consequences. Despite their benefits, algorithms can inadvertently cause harm. Bias and discrimination. If not carefully designed, algorithms can perpetuate existing biases, leading to discrimination in hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Privacy concerns. The data collection necessary for these algorithms often raises concerns about surveillance and data security. Job displacement. Automation and algorithms have the potential to displace workers, particularly in sectors like manufacturing and services. The ugly. When algorithms go wrong, the misuse or flawed design of algorithms can lead to severe consequences. Echo chambers. Social media algorithms can create feedback loops, reinforcing beliefs and contributing to societal polarization. Market instability. Algorithmic trading can lead to rapid, large-scale market fluctuations, as seen in various stock market crashes. Loss of autonomy. Over-reliance on algorithms can erode human decision-making skills, leading to a dependency that may be hard to reverse. Ethical considerations in algorithm design. To mitigate the negative impacts of algorithms, several ethical considerations must be taken into account during the design and development. Transparency. Algorithms should be designed to be as transparent as possible, allowing users to understand how decisions are made. Accountability. There must be mechanisms in place to hold developers and companies accountable for the outcomes of their algorithms. Fairness. Algorithms should be audited for fairness to ensure they do not discriminate against any individual or group. Privacy. Data used by algorithms should be collected and processed in a manner that respects user privacy and complies with data protection laws. Conclusion. Algorithms have the power to transform society in profound ways. While they bring numerous benefits, it is crucial to address the ethical challenges they pose. By designing algorithms with transparency, accountability, fairness, and privacy in mind, we can harness their power for good while minimizing their potential for harm. Stay safe, stay secure. This video is meant to underscore the importance of ethical considerations in algorithm design to ensure that as we advance technologically, we do so responsibly. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.